Welcome to this session. In this session, we will understand a few things about Kanku's Kirana shop business. Kanku is an entrepreneur. She lives in a town with about 20,000 households. She runs a Kirana shop that sells groceries and other daily need items such as soaps, shampoo, etc. to her customers. She started the shop 5 years back in the front room of her house. She had then invested money from her savings to start the business. Her shop is the only one in her locality of 60 to 70 households. So, majority households buy from her shop. Now, let us understand the process Kanku uses to run her business. She opens her shop daily at 7 a.m. in the morning and closes it late in the evening. She knows most of her customers, their preferences, and their time of coming to the shop. Based on these details, she stocks items in her shop. She buys items from her regular suppliers. These suppliers are well-established wholesalers who deliver the required items to Kanku once a week. When an item is not available with her regular suppliers, Kanku goes to the market in the nearest town to buy those items. Let's look at some details of revenues and costs of the business. We will start with revenues. A majority of Kanku's customers are households in her locality who buy from her regularly. Most, 80% of her sales are in cash and the remaining is on credit. Here, we can see the details of revenues from the top 5 categories for the current financial year. Others include the revenues from other items she sells. Kanku's main cost is the cost of the goods bought for selling. Her regular suppliers give her an average discount of 15% on maximum retail price, MRP. She sells the items at MRP. Kanku has to bear the cost in case customers return an item due to a quality issue. Let's take a look at the financial statements of the business beginning with the P&L statement. Kanku ran her business well last year. She was able to draw a salary every month, and as we can see from the latest P&L, the business has been able to generate decent profits at a reasonable net margin. Kanku has run her business well over 5 years. So, the balance sheet of the business shows a healthy accumulation of retained earnings over the last 5 years. This has made the business's net worth quite strong. A reasonable portion of this net worth is available to the business in the form of cash and business bank account balance. As we can see from the cash flow statement of the latest month, the business has managed to add some cash to the opening balance by managing its cash sales, credit collection, and costs reasonably well. This is the overview of Kanku's Kirana shop business.